Day 68 results of my weight loss journey. From 132 kilograms to 125 kilograms. I'm so happy with the results on day 68. My longest plateau was 128 kilograms, and I'm so happy that I broke through it. I broke through it maybe day 44, something like that. I almost lost 7 kilograms, so that's like 14 pounds on 68 days. I don't know if that is fast or what, but I hope is it a healthy weight loss. One thing I can tell you is how did I broke the plateau is that I really doubled down on eating less, like lessening my calories but eating healthy foods like or eating protein rich foods like eggs, chicken breasts, and really lessening my carbs. The lesson was I don't eat ice cream anymore. No sugary drinks, maybe on Saturdays only. And my rice was like less than 1 cup of rice. I think I can tell you guys that those who are on a journey, there's no really a easy way. You really need to feel hunger. There's no other way. But if you don't feel hunger on your diet, I'm sorry to tell you, maybe you will not lose weight. What did you do if you just eat whatever you want? You will not lose weight. So that is my number one lesson. So yeah, yes, I'm so happy for day 68. So right now, the workout that I did was just 5 minutes of shadow boxing and the kettlebell swings. So yeah, see you on day 69 and let's do this.